Very good morning, my dear student. In this video, we will be seeing your practical number 12, and this practical is of emasculation, bagging and tagging. Dear students, in our regular videos in chapter number 2, right, we people have already discussed your pollination. So once again I am repeating the same. What is pollination? It is transfer of, yes, anther to stigma of carpel. Dear students, we have seen two types of pollination. Number one says self-pollination and second one is your cross-pollination, right? We have seen adaptations for the same. If I am talking about your self-pollination, it is autogamy or it is deuterogamy, right? We have seen clistogamous flower, we have also seen chesmogamous flower. Adaptations for the same also we people have seen. If I am talking about cross-pollination, so here it involves pollination between two different plants. Am I clear? Yes. This cross-pollination is also called as your xenogamy, and it is more beneficial in comparison to self-pollination. Dear students, if I am talking about self-pollination, of course it preserves parental traits. At the very same time, repeated self-pollination causes inbreeding depression, in which fertility as well as productivity of an organism, here we are talking about plant species, is affected. Am I clear? So if I am talking about your self-pollination, it leads to inbreeding depression. It leads to inbreeding depressions. So we are having natural agencies. We are having natural agencies, right, which promotes cross-pollination, Am I clear? Okay. We people have seen different outbreeding devices. हमने देखा था. Yes or no? Protogeny, protandry. Yes, we people have understood this really very well. What is this thing? If फ्लावर इज बाइसेक्सुअल, अगर फ्लावर बाइसेक्सुअल है तो क्या होगा? द एंथर मैच्योरिटी एंड स्टिग्मा रिसेप्टिविटी विल बी एट डिफरेंट टाइम. So this promotes cross pollination. Am I clear? We people have also seen your self pollination. I need to say sorry, self pollen, that is your self incompatibility. Pollen of particular flower, right, do not germinate on stigma, on its own stigma. So this is what I mean by self incompatibility, self sterility, you can say. Then what we people have understood, there is a kind of physical barrier between your anther and stigma. Say for example petal हो सकती है, right? Then what we have understood, plant having two flowers, one female flower, one your male flower. Am I clear? Yes. Again we have seen certain plants which are unisex. मतलब एक plant male है, दूसरा plant female है. Am I clear? So these are your outbreeding devices that we people have already understood well. In this practical, we are going to understood artificial hybridization. These are all natural agencies. हमने कुछ नहीं किया है, but we can artificially promote cross pollination. हम desired pollens स्टिग्मा पे डस्ट करवा सकते हैं, and that is what I mean by artificial hybridization. This can be done by three methods, right? By three steps rather, I should say: emasculation, bagging and tagging. Okay. Now first if I want to say something about your emasculation. Dear students, first of all, let me say you, for this practical you require a plant having bisexual flower. Plant having bisexual flower, because we are going to understand emasculation. Am I clear? Okay, chalo. Say for example, if I am talking about your hibiscus, it's most common one, right? तो यहाँ पे बीच में होता है क्या आपका? So for example, this is the, what is this? This is the carpel, right? If you will see hibiscus, it will look like this, है ना? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, generally 5, और ऐसे कुछ पिंक कलर की डंडी होती है. Yes or no? Pink color रही है बात समझ? मैंने क्या बोला? ओके, सो दिस इज योर स्टिग्मा एंड यहाँ पे ये क्या ड्रॉ करा मैंने बच्चों? दिस इज योर stamen. Simple as that. What I can say? Stamen, male part. So what is emasculation? By means of forceps. By means of, मान लीजिए forceps I am drawing. You are going to pluck it off. By means of forceps, what you are going to do? You people are removing this anther. You people are removing this anther. Am I clear? Okay. तो this removal of anther, ये चला anther. Can you see this? Yes. So this removal of anther is called as emasculation. What is this? This is emasculation. And now this plant, the plant containing this flower, is represented as female plant. Is represented as female plant. Simple as that, right? Now what is the second step here? I am writing. Second step is bagging. Simple as that. Either you are going to use your transparent bag. What you are going to use? यहाँ पे मैंने लिखा है. Okay, paper bags. Paper bags you can use, or transparent polythene bag you can use to cover. I am going to cover it. Are you people getting my point? This is not balloon. मान लीजिए ये plastic bag है, right? And I am going to cover this stigma. Am I clear? I am going to cover this stigma. Is there any purpose for covering it with paper bags or plastic transparent bags? Yes. I don't want unwanted pollen to come over here. I don't want unwanted pollen to come over here. So I am going to cover it by means of paper bags or your plastic transparent bags. Am I clear? You are going to tie it by means of clips. By means of clip. If you are having Ziploc bags, it's not a problem. You have to ensure that there is small pore which is left behind. Okay, there must be small pore. You have to cover in such a way that small pore रहना चाहिए. Okay, so this is your second step, that is your bagging. Now dear students, what I am going to do, once again I am drawing your carpel. मैंने ये remove किया है. I have removed this bag. Now मान लीजिए ये दूसरा फ्लावर है एंड ये जो है वो क्या है? Anther. And anther is going to produce what? Pollens. So I am going to dust it. I am going to dust it pollen, right, by means of brush. ये फ्लावर है मान लीजिए. ये क्या है? फ्लावर. एंड इसको मैं ब्रश से ऐसे करने वाली हूँ. So what I am going to do? I am going to dust pollen grains over here. Am I clear? Yes. And once again, I am going to tie it. Once again, I am going to tie it. Am I clear? So once your stigma becomes receptive, you have to open your bag. You have to open your bag, right? You have to dust. यहाँ पे क्या करना है? You have to dust desired pollen what you want, right? And once again you have to rebag it. Once again you have to rebag it. Simple सी बात है. And third comes your tagging. Third comes your tagging. Dear students, what we are doing in tagging? हम क्या करते हैं? We are making one tag. Can you see this? This is tag. यहाँ पे ये thread है. This tag contains name of female, parent. Simple as that. I am writing name of female. I am writing. Okay, female parent. Then name of male parent. Then date of this pollination. Okay, even it contains signature of pollinator. It contains signature of pollinator. प्लांट, एज यू कैन सी ये क्या है, प्लांट है, ठीक है। सो टू दिस प्लांट व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू अटैच दिस लेबल, यू हैव टू अटैच दिस लेबल। एम आई क्लियर? सो ये प्रोसेस को कहा जाता है टैगिंग। दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड एज टैगिंग। एम आई क्लियर? सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, I hope you understood this practical really very well. So what is the aim of your practical? To perform emasculation, bagging, tagging for controlled pollination. What is principle? Conventional plant breeding programs involves bringing under human control reproductive processes that lead to production of seeds and fruit. And for this conventional, for this controlled pollination is desirable using male and female parents having desired traits. Desired traits का मतलब होता है character. One of the process that can be easily brought under human control is emasculation. Emasculation, once again you should have information about flowers, जैसे कि structure of flower, mechanism of pollination, fertilization process, physiology of flower. ये सारी चीज, ये सारी information is very much essential for emasculation to perform. Okay? So in emasculation technique, the stamens are removed, जैसे कि मैंने बोला, before anthesis, before release of pollen grains. Am I clear? To obtain, मतलब यहाँ पे anther कैसा होगा? Immature. Okay? In bird stage, I can say to obtain female parents. तो ये हमने remove किया, तो ये female plant है, ये female parent है. And pollen from desired male parent is transferred to its stigma. And once again, you have to reband it. So dear students, this is your practical. I hope you understood this really very well. Thank you very much. Students, let's now understand the process of emasculation, bagging and tagging. Here, this is your shoe flower plant. This is also called as your hibiscus. Of course, it is orange in color, right? You people have seen red in color. Okay. First of all, as you can see, this yellow color part is your stamen, right? So what we are going to do by means of a forceps, here I am removing by my hand only. Okay. So dear students, what you have to do, you have to remove this stamen. Okay, so as you can see, मैंने stamen remove कर दिया है. As you can see, I have removed stamens. Okay, now this flower is considered as a female plant. Okay, so this plant is considered as a female plant. Okay, now what I am going to do here, I am having polythene bag. I am having polythene bag. So what I am going to do, I am going to cover this flower. What is the reason for the same? As I don't want any of unwanted pollen. I don't want any of unwanted pollen to land on this stigmas. To land on this stigmas. Am I clear? So this is your emasculation and bagging. ठीक है? Emasculation is removal of anther, and this is what I mean by bagging. Now, once your stigma matures, right? Once your stigma becomes receptive, you have to open this bag. आपको ये bag open करनी है. Here I am having another flower. This is from male plant. This is from male plant. Am I clear? And what you have to do? You have to, by means of a brush, you have to dust these pollens. You have to dust these pollens of pollen parents. Okay, over this stigma. Now I have dusted. Once again, what I am going to do? Once again, I am going to cover it. Once again, I am going to cover this thing, as you can see, right? Just a minute. I am going to cover this flower after dusting desired pollen, right? Now, what is the third step remaining? Third step is your tagging. Third step is your tagging. As you can see, here I have made a tag. This X जो है वो क्या represent करता है? It represents cross. Then I have written seed parents. So that is your female parents, Hibiscus rosa sinensis. Your pollen parent, again I have taken pollen from this hibiscus only. So your pollen parent is Hibiscus rosa sinensis, and date of tagging is very much important, and date I have mentioned your 9/8/2020. Am I clear? So ये मैंने क्या कर दिया, this is your tagging. Am I clear? So this is your practical. I hope you understood it really very well. Thank you.